Well, just an incredible early season snowstorm for much of the Carolinas, but not us, not here in the Triad at least. Here's what's happening as we watch this storm push off the Carolina coast tonight. All of its weather will go along with it, but a couple of lingering effects that we'll be watching, especially some wind and cold here in the Piedmont overnight tonight. Here are the snow reports, though, from earlier in the day, all the way from Tennessee into the mountains of North Carolina. And this is the biggest surprise here. Columbia, South Carolina, the metro area there, seeing a couple of inches of snow in some places. That's really surprising. Places like Fargo, North Dakota still haven't seen snow this year, but Columbia has now. It's the earliest on record for them in that part of South Carolina. Hard to believe. November the 1st, that's what we're talking about. Here are some of the big totals from the day. Selected totals here. Some of the biggest ones coming up in the higher elevations of the North Carolina and Tennessee mountains. How about 22 inches of snow? Both of those totals coming at over 6,000 feet. So it really kind of depended on your elevation today on how much snow you could get. Maggie Valley at 8 inches of snow just outside of Asheville, about 7.5 in Weaverville, and Beech Mountain checking in with 6 inches. Lower totals for Boone and Blowing Rock, but a lot of snow sticking to the roadways, causing some trouble. Here is a picture from the top of Mount Lacan in Tennessee, 22 inches there. That was the big total that we were mentioning. Throughout the night tonight, we'll see our clouds clearing out and cold temperatures. We're going to be waking up to some really chilly air out there. Overnight lows right there around the freezing mark. It will still be breezy and cold as you're waking up on Sunday morning. And in the foothills, we have a freeze warning in effect. 28 degrees Wilkesboro, 30 Elkin, Yadkinville. It is going to have that really cold feel to it. Every part the winter feeling tomorrow morning for you. So it's going to be a bit of a rough go of it tomorrow. Don't forget to set those clocks back. We do have that time change as daylight saving time ends tonight. And we'll see that for tomorrow with an earlier sunset. Cold air does stick around one more day. Sunday's high temperature with sunshine only gets up to 50 degrees. After that, we'll start to warm up, but not before another cold morning on Monday. We'll start with 29 degrees Monday morning, getting back to near 70 degrees, though, by Tuesday and Wednesday afternoon.